Food Beast. This week we are challenged to make the best burrito, and I'm gonna show you how to make the best Chile relleno burrito with homemade tortillas de harina. So I could have easily gone and bought the tortilla, but I'm making it for you. All right, you wanna stretch it just a little bit, and hopefully this is gonna fit on our comal. It's time to flip. Look how beautiful that looks. It's ready. Now let's go make our burrito. All right, guys, our first base is going to be beans. Now your second layer is gonna be the Mexican red rice. Now we're gonna be using our Chile relleno, and this is the star of the show. You're gonna lay your Chile relleno. Don't forget to take the stem out of your burrito. You don't wanna eat this. To add more cheese. This, guys, is going to be such an authentic Mexican Chile relleno burrito. Now you're gonna try your best to fold it all in. I want that nice toast on my burrito, so I'm just gonna toast it on my comal for a little bit. Alright, it's time to flip again, and this burrito is ready. You're gonna serve on your dish. You slice it right in the middle. Now let's open this. Look at this, beautiful! Oh my gosh, guys. The beans, the rice, the chile, the cheese, and the homemade tortilla makes a world of a difference.
I got this In-N-Out burger breakfast burrito yesterday in the drive-thru. Then I woke up this morning and realized it was all a dream. But I couldn't accept that it wasn't real. So I started with a cup of fresh flour tortillas, soft scrambled eggs, extra crispy, well-done French fries, 2 cheeseburger patties, some whole grilled onions, tomatoes, some pickles, chopped chilies, In-N-Out spread, and I toasted each side in a skillet because I just love the crunch. And voila. Time to go to sleep.
I decided that I wanted to make a breakfast burrito, but I wanted to make a breakfast burrito. My fiance said I'm a dummy if I don't wrap it in a crepe, so she made that for me. Thanks, babe. For that, you're gonna need flour, salt, sugar, mostly melted butter, eggs, and vanilla. Blend it up. Pepper hates the blender. Blend it more till it's creamy. Throw a big old pan on low to medium heat with butter or cooking spray. Pour in the batter and roll it around so it's real smooth. You can shake it and see if it's ready to flip. Now on to the good stuff. Play with the eggs. Contemplate the meaning of your life and draw the swirls of the universe in the pan. When they're looking good, dump a shit ton of cheese on them. Yeah, we love cheese. Burrito assemble. Add your hashy browns, your cheesy eggs, your sausage, some mini pancakes. You should have microwaved these by now. Did you miss that step? And drizzle with syrup. Gently and carefully wrap it up. Wrap. Now go ahead and slice, pull apart, make sure you get those picks, and now you can finally enjoy. This burrito had about a 66.6% chance of being a disgusting monstrosity.
It's actually really f***ing good.
It tasted like a diner pancake breakfast all wrapped up into a soft, pillowy crepe. I would totally make this again, and you should too.
Today I'm making a Vietnamese broken rice breakfast burrito because Foodbeast got tired of me cooking wings all the time. First, you need to marinate the pork belly, garlic, shallots, soy sauce, fish sauce, stir it up. Forgot the brown sugar. Stir it up. Typically, broken rice is enjoyed with a sweet fish sauce, so I'm gonna make a sweet fish sauce mayo. Combine chili oil, honey, fish sauce, mix. Chop up some scallions and fry them up in hot oil for garnish. Remember the meat from half a minute ago? It's time to cook that up. Cook until caramelized and not raw. Fry up some eggs, sunny side up. Also cook until not raw. Now, the moment I've been putting off, building the burrito. Stack your ingredients carefully and hope that some careful editing makes it look like you did it right. Flick this guy out of here. Slice your burrito in half. This is what the food industry calls the money shot. It's gonna look either really good or really bad. It looks okay. Sauce it a little more. And that's how you make a Vietnamese broken rice breakfast burrito. Take a bite for the camera and remember not to shrug this time. Now, on to Costa's recipe.
I'm sorry, was that supposed to be a burrito?
Get that trash out of here.
Let me show you how to make a real breakfast burrito. We are doing a Mapo tofu breakfast burrito.
And the best Mapo tofu starts with fresh ground Sichuan peppercorn. Make sure to toast it. Now for your Mapo tofu, add in the Sichuan peppercorn, Chinese 5-spice, scallions, shallots, doubanjian, that's core to Sichuan food, sambal for some extra chili heat, ginger, and garlic. Once that all cooks down, add in your ground pork, and then add in your tofu, plus some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, some Shaoxing wine, and some black vinegar. Let that all cook down until it's all nice and bubbly and spicy. Alright, let's build the burrito. Big ass tortilla, cheddar cheese on the bottom. Then we're gonna go with steamed rice. I steamed it with Chinese sausages and folded in scallions afterward. Then go for a whole scallion, add some scrambled eggs, add the Chinese sausages too for a flavor boost, and then add your Mapo tofu over the top. Roll the entire thing up, make sure it gets crispy on both sides, and then cut it open and reveal it to the camera. Now it looks amazing on the inside, but it all comes down to how it tastes. And let's be real, I wasn't crying here because of how spicy the chilies were.
Yes, sir. Foodbeast wants me to make a burrito, man. Let's go. I got you. Now, you already know we can't have a burrito without me. And immediately hit it with some flavor. I'm talking salt, cayenne, chili powder, fresh lime, and a secret ingredient, OJ, the non-homicidal kind. Anyways, get some garlic powder, a pinch of cumin, onion powder, oregano, and this bad boy. My guy, if you know, you know. Let that mingle for at least an hour, then start and get that all nice and toasty in a pan with some garlic and tomato paste because you forgot to buy actual tomatoes from the store. A little chicken seasoning, water, and let that simmer till it's done. Now it's time to get real fancy with some canned beans. Yeah, canned beans. I don't know why everybody be hating on these so much because you put them in a pan with the seasoning, a touch of cream, smash them up. Bro, those be fire as hell. Come on, look at that. And by now the meat should be done chilling, so grease up a grill pan and lay that meat on there, cook it through, and then chop it up. Then you gotta toast the tortilla, lay it down, and hit it with the beans, rice, meat, onions, and cilantro, and salsa, baby. Come on. Now do your best to roll it up, and you got yourself a basic burrito. But this is a burrito challenge. I know you didn't watch this far just to see me make a burrito anyone can make, so I had to think about how to take it to the next level. Yo, wait a minute. You did not. Oh, but I did. We deep fried this guy. Look at that golden brown perfection. Then I added the drip, a little cream, the sour kind, cilantro and onions, and you know we forget that cheese. Come on, look how fire that looks. I just wish I could give some to you, so try it at home. This cooking thing's easy.
All right, guys, this was all of the burrito recipes. Let us know down below which one was your favorite.